I just bought a $25 Apple Watch clone from the AliExpress. And is that thing great? Here's why I'm here to tell you. Hey, what's up folks, my name is AD and today I'm here with a direct replica of the Apple Watch Series 8 from the China version of Best Buy, the AliExpress. Starting off with the design, I must say this knockoff is a great representation of its original counterpart, which comes with a great display that has minimal bezel edge-to-edge display and also a solid aluminum body which looks premium, and also comes in a subjectively conventional size of 45mm. Well, I can't hit it any less than an Apple Watch. Well, the shape of the box looks a little bit identical to an Apple Watch box except for the printings on the box and the package layout inside the box. And as you open the box, the first thing you're gonna get is the instruction manual, which is written both in Chinese and English. And the next thing you see is the watch itself wrapped in plastic. So as you can see, this watch comes in different various colors, but I opted to go with the black since it's the de facto color of newest technological products that people buy these days. And I'm a fan of black. And also you get pre-installed black silicone watch straps which is swappable, and when you take a look at this strap feels really well built and premium. But the downside is that this watch does not come with strap locks, unlike the original Apple Watch which has two strap locks on the bottom side. And you can see that you get a speaker, a microphone, the crown jewel, and fully functioning button. I know, right? This watch sounds like the dream. It sounds like the Kim Kardashian you want to be with, except it also comes with fake features, just like her butt. Speaking of fake features, this watch comes with multiple health data measuring apps, and guess what? None of them works, thanks to fake sensors. And also, whenever you try to measure your heart rate through the heart rate monitoring app, it gives you fake data because it can measure the heart rate when there is no wrist present at all. In layman's terms, it does not work due to fake sensors. Coming to the software, this watch has a similar looking user interface compared to the Apple Watch OS. But don't get me wrong, there are some features missing from this watch that you would normally find on the Apple Watch OS. Despite its Apple Watch-esque user interface, it feels less intuitive and choppy due to its less powerful and more affordable components inside it. After all, it's a deal breaker considering the fact that you're getting fully functioning internals encased by a smartwatch just for 25 bucks. Now, you wouldn't get that from Apple. But I have to say, the user interface is designed very well, and this thing also comes with a notification center and some basic functioning apps such as calculators, stopwatch, and etc. You also get few pre-installed watch faces on this watch, and if you want to add more watch faces or customize your own watch face, you can do it on their M Active Pro app. By scanning this QR code, you can download their app. Now, the biggest downside of this watch is that many of the watch faces are paid and there are only a limited number of watch faces which are free, and most of them are not even interactive. But the good news is you can still upload a picture of your lady or your offspring or your pet as a watch face. Now, we all know that one of the prominent features that you get on an Apple Watch is the cellular functionality, which allows you to browse through the internet on that small display and do more cellular-based tasks. The question is, does this $25 Apple Watch come with cellular functionalities? Well, unfortunately, no. Unlike the Apple Watch, this watch does not come with GPS or Wi-Fi capabilities, but only Bluetooth. So it is synced to your phone through Bluetooth, which allows you to make calls and receive calls and also receive text messages. But hey, it's just 25 bucks and not 250 bucks. So my overall opinion of this watch is that this is a great watch for its price tag. It's $25, but I would have preferred if they had some improvements to this watch, such as adding real sensors and GPS Wi-Fi functionalities. To compensate with that, they could have added about $20 to $40 extra to their selling price, and that would have justified their watch and their price point, because comparing to the Apple Watch, it costs you almost more than 200 bucks to get all those features. So you would be getting from a Chinese manufacturer the same type of a watch at a cheaper price with same functionalities. But if you ask me the question, should I buy this Apple Watch clone for 25 bucks? Well, my answer would be it depends. Because if you're looking to buy an Apple Watch for what it is and its functionalities, I would say you should probably go out on a limb and get that Apple Watch, even if it costs you more than 100 bucks, 200 bucks if you can get one used for about 70 to 80 bucks, you should probably go ahead and buy, because if you go ahead and buy a replica for $25 instead of a real Apple Watch, you would be disappointed. If you do not care about the real Apple Watch and you only want the aesthetics, you should probably go ahead, because you'll be more than satisfied if you do not care all those gimmicks that you get from an Apple Watch. But for 25 bucks, this thing is a massive leap in the replica industry in China. So if you want to buy it, you can go ahead and buy it. Or if you don't, you should probably not buy it.